Hi students, today we will be learning a new topic. I will be asking some questions and you will be answering them, and at the same time you will be guessing the topic. So let's start the session. So first close your eyes. Yeah. Are you able to see anything? No, right? Yes. Now open your eyes. Are you able to see anything? Yes. So what is making you to see? Opening eyes are enabling you to see. Okay, then during the dark time, that is at the night time, will you be able to see anything without any electric current use, like without the bulbs or any candle effect or anything in a dark room? Can you be able to see anything? No. So why you are not able to see even if your eyes are open? This is because of the lack of light. Yes. So, what are the sources of light? Can you tell me? Sources. Sun, candle, bulb. Yes, bulb. Bulb. How does it work? With the help of electricity, right? Yes. And here is our topic for today, that is electricity. So let us start the lesson, electricity. What do you mean by electricity? I think already you might be knowing something about electricity. Yes, it is nothing but the flow of charges. What do you mean by charge? Yes, charge. You might have learned about atom, structure of the atom. Yes, so let us see once again the structure of the atom. So here I am uploading an image for you all. One minute, it is uploading. Yeah. So just see this picture. What is happening here? Here something is happening. Yes. What is it? Something is rotating. Yes. This is nothing but the structure of the atom, where the central part is the nucleus, and around it something is revolving. They are electrons, and inside the nucleus there are some red color structure called as the protons. Yes. Now these electrons and protons are nothing but the charges. Yes, charge in the sense it can be either electron or protons. Yes. Now, how can this electron move from one place to another place? Because electricity is nothing but the flow of the charge. We consider charge as a movement of electrons because in the outermost orbital of an atom, the electrons will be sometimes free to move. And if we make them to move, then we can create the electricity. Then how it is possible? Let us see a picture here. 1 minute, I will upload a picture for you all. Yeah. Just see the picture, what is happening. So these are all the atoms. And here in the atoms, what is happening? This plus indicates the positive charge and the negative indicates the negative charge, that is electron. And the electrons are jumping from one atom to the another atom. Why this is happening? Because they are attracted to the proton, but we are not making them to get stick or get attached to the protons, but we are making them to jump from one atom to another atom, where the flow of charge is happening. And this is how we make the electricity. And Understood? Yes. Now, so we have learned about charge is nothing but an electron or proton. So what is the measurement of the charge? Charge is measured with a unit called as unit of charge is coulomb, and it is denoted by C, and we denote charge with a capital Q. Understood? And one charge is equal to 6.24 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons. Understood? Yeah. So now let us see the further thing about the electricity. Let me add one more whiteboard for you all. Yes. So next we will learn about electric current. What do you mean by electric current? Now we have learned about the charge. Movement of charge makes the electricity. So this movement of charge in a particular unit of time, that is rate of flow of electric current electric charge, because it is movement of the charges, not the current, because we are learning about the current. So it is rate of flow of electric charges. What does that mean? That means in an unit of time, how much charge is flowing? Q by T is nothing but electric current. And what is electric current denoted by? Electric current is denoted by I is equal to Q by T, where Q is the coulombs and time is measured in terms of seconds, and current is measured in terms of amperes. So we will say 1 ampere of current is developed when 1 coulomb of charge is carried in 1 second. So 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb per second. So this is how we measure the electric current. And then when from one place to, suppose for example, you have a battery and you have a bulb here. Where are the charges more now? In the battery the charges are more. Yes, so there is a difference in between the charges, and in the bulb there are less number of charges, so the bulb is not flowing. There is no flow of electric current. So where there is a difference in between this number of charges, so that is known as electric potential. Difference in charges between two terminals can be called as electric potential. So what is electric potential? Difference in between the charges, difference in between charges between two terminals. And then now suppose to make the bulb glow, we have to carry the amount of charge from this point to this point. Yes, so how do we carry? That work is done. So in order to move the charges from one terminal to the other terminal, there is a certain amount of work. So that work done in carrying the charge from one terminal, carrying the charge from one terminal to other terminal. This is called as potential difference. We call this as the potential difference. So potential difference is denoted by V, and we can give the formula as V is equal to work done, that is W by what is work done, where the work done is it is done in carrying the charge, that is in coulombs, that is Q. So work done in carrying the charge is known as the potential difference. So potential difference is measured in terms of volts. So we will say 1 volt of potential difference is created when 1 joule of work is done in carrying 1 coulomb of charge. Understood? And this is measured. There is a device to measure the potential difference, that is known as voltmeter. So voltmeter is the device which is used to measure the potential difference. And what about the current? Current is measured with the help of a device known as ammeter. So this is all about charge, flow, electricity, flow of charges. What does one charge mean? How it is denoted, and how it is measured. And then what do you mean by electric current? What do you mean by electric potential? And what do you mean by the potential difference? And in the next session, we will learn about the relationship between the potential difference and the electric current. Thank you.